Science experiments on Lion Key robot.
Good key. Today we're gonna do Coke experiment, and even we're gonna see which one explodes more. This is my existing. Dre. Well, Drew, I'm gonna do the Coke. Drew's gonna do this. And Drew looks like Drew's gonna explode more because she has more in it. See? Now we're gonna do the Coke experiment.
What are you going to put in it?
You go to the outside. My goodness!
Oh my gosh.
Oh gosh, I forgot to wear my safety goggles as well. And now it's soaking wet.
Can I put these in and like shake it up?
And Kay, what do you want to say to the end your channel?
Thank you.
Now look, here.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you next time on Lion Key Robot. Please subscribe.